Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a soccer ball. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing a large circle. Now let's hop into the center and we're going to draw a pentagon shape. Let's start with 2 angles down. Then let's angle them back in underneath. And then a line across. Now from the top, let's draw a line up. And then let's angle it up on each side. And then back into the top. Now let's hop back down, and from the side points, let's angle it up and out. And then an angle up at the top and one down underneath. Then let's angle it back in on each side. Now on each side of the top pentagon, let's draw a curve down. Now top to the bottom, and let's draw 2 angles down. Then let's angle them back in. And close off the bottom. And then from the bottom corners, let's draw an angle down to the bottom. Now we're going to hop back up and let's bring it out on each side. And then an angle down. And then bring it down to the bottom. And that's it for this soccer ball. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!